why green IT and why now? Well, obviously green issues are gaining broader prominence. Power bills are rising. I'm assuming it's the same globally. You know, obviously from the research that we've done, it's certainly something that is a global issue. It's not just a localized issue for us here. The IT consumption of power is actually increasing substantially, and it's also becoming more visible. And that's one of the key things that we're seeing at the moment, is that, you know, organisations are actually seeing that IT is becoming a high energy user, and is certainly becoming is on the agenda of a lot of CFOs, I should say, in looking at how they can reduce that. We've seen in the past data centres have received a lot of attention. They're power inefficient, and there's a significant visual cost with data centres, and data centres have seemed to have, or the virtualization space has really picked up a lot of steam, and I guess a lot of organisations are looking at that as, I guess, one of their first points of call for becoming more sustainable, and that is, you know, taking a room full of servers and condensing it into a cupboard full, and we really encourage that. We won't ever, from a foundation perspective, recommend a vendor around that space, but certainly we see it being very important, and a great way to reduce your energy and your emissions. So the benefits really of looking at why would an organisation would want to go down the green path. Going green, as it says, it means going lean, and saving money seems to be the number one agenda item for IT sustainability. Most organisations, they can potentially cut their costs by 30% instantly by implementing technology that's going to actually assist them to reduce their power usage. And also the other thing that we're seeing is that, you know, as the carbon trading systems across the globe become more mature, there'll also be benefits in the reduction of having to acquire carbon offsets for sustainability matters. I'm a father of four. My passion has come through green IT. Because of my kids. You know, this is something that I want my children to live in the same environment that I have today, or that I grew up in. And this was my way, by founding the foundation, was really my way of giving something back to society and to the environment, that's going to help my kids in having, living in the same type of society that we do today.